Are you looking for the best multicolor 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. GEEETECH Mizar S Auto Leveling 3D Printer. The GEEETECH Mizar S Auto Leveling 3D Printer stands out in the 3D printing landscape with its unique dual leveling system, featuring the one-button ABL automatic bed leveling technology. What sets it apart is the precise auto-leveling achieved through a high-precision leveling sensor, eliminating the need for external accessories like BL Touch. The printer caters to a wide audience, offering a user-friendly GML manual leveling mode, making it accessible to beginners, amateurs, and specialists alike. In terms of stability, the Mizar S boasts a fixed design for its heat bed, secured with 12 screws on an aluminum plate bracket. This design ensures that the bed remains stable and doesn't deform due to temperature changes, addressing issues related to unstable printing caused by loose nuts. The magnetic platform, coupled with a steel sheet design, enhances adhesion and simplifies the model removal process, providing a reliable and efficient printing experience. Number 2. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer stands out with its independent dual extrusion (IDEX) system, featuring dual direct drive metal extruders. This allows users to print with 2 different colors, materials, or models simultaneously, providing a versatile and creative 3D printing experience. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PTG, TPU, PC, PA, wood, ASA, and PVA, enabling users to experiment with diverse projects. With a larger print volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm compared to its predecessors SV01/SV02, the SV04 offers more space for creativity. The modular design ensures quick assembly, facilitating a faster start to your 3D printing endeavors. To enhance user experience, the SV04 is equipped with an automatic leveling sensor, ensuring optimal distance between the bed and nozzle throughout the printing process. This feature improves bed adhesion and print quality, contributing to successful 3D prints. Users can find guidance in the user guide and leveling guide video available on the product page in case of any bed leveling issues. Number 3. Flashforge 3D Printer. The FLASHFRGE Creator Pro 2 3D printer is a versatile and efficient IDEX, independent dual extruder, 3D printer designed to elevate your printing experience. With its dual direct drive metal extruders, this printer allows you to explore the world of multi-material and multicolor printing, offering 4 different printing modes. The independent dual extruders, IDEX, enable simultaneous printing with 2 nozzles, significantly boosting productivity and making it ideal for small workshops with production demands. One notable feature is the heating bed, which ensures rapid and steady heating to prevent model warping, facilitating easy removal of printed models. This capability contributes to the printer's ability to produce high-quality prints using a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PTG, TPU, wood, and PVA. The FLASHFRGE Creator Pro 2 is well-suited for those seeking a reliable 3D printer that opens up new possibilities in terms of materials and colors, making it a valuable tool for creative and production-oriented projects. Number 4. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is a powerhouse in efficiency, boasting an impressive maximum speed of 600 mm per second and a rapid acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 12 times faster than regular FDM 3D printers. This makes it a top choice for both professionals and beginners seeking swift and precise 3D printing. One standout feature of the K1 Max is its generous printing size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inches, 300 by 300 by 300 mm. This allows for simultaneous printing of multiple models, significantly enhancing overall printing efficiency. Moreover, its print volume to printer size ratio is an outstanding 25.5%, the largest among printers of similar size.